Here's a 2018 Audi Q3. This Audi Q3 is perfect for going downtown or getting out of town. It's a nimble, compact crossover with the moves to get through congested streets and highways with ease. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist, external memory control, power liftgate, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com highlights its quiet and comfortable ride, upscale interior, and many luxury features come standard. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. You'll never know till you try. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.